Okay, we're up here. Turn the attic. Holes in the siding. This is where pipes were draining, like I suspected, from the exterior. Oh yeah, maybe you haven't seen that yet. Air duct on the floor, air duct touching air duct, air duct. Okay. Electric conduit touching air duct. That's an old air handler. Okay. Think we're leaking any air there? I do. Think succeeded its economic life? I do. This one's gas. Got a sediment trap? No. More lights not working up here. Okay, so there's one air handler downstairs, two air handlers up here. I'm not seeing much in the way of air handlers. No access. Insufficient service access. See if I can get at least one data plate.